Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any colored PDF into black and white for free in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have one video file here, right? So let me try to open it. So you can see it's a colored PDF, right? So how you can convert this kind of colored PDF into black and white? So for this, what you need to do is just select the PDF file that you want to convert and just right click on it, and you will see one option, open with, and here you need to select a Microsoft Edge, which comes preloaded with every Windows computer. So if you don't have a Microsoft Edge on your respective Windows computer, then you can use the Google Chrome. So here I'm gonna use a Microsoft Edge, so it will get open in the Microsoft Edge web browser, right? So now on the above you can see a print icon, just click on it, and now here on the first option just below the printer, just click on this Save as PDF, and now you will see here Microsoft Print to PDF, just click on it, and now below you can see here, just below the color, just click on this color and just select the black and white. Now you can see the colored PDF has been converted into black, and just click on print, and now give a file name, say I'll give a name edit, and I will save in the desktop. So let me close this. Now you can see here the converted PDF file. So let me try to open it. So you can see the colored PDF file has been converted into black and white. So let us check the original one. So this is the original one. So you can see the original one is a color. So using these cool tricks, you can easily convert any colored PDF into black and white for free in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.